welcome back. It's Doug from Bjorn territory. I just ordered a few little bits just to test them out and just see what they're like and what the sculpts are like compared to a bit of Warlord sculpts, really. And I also got some Frenchies as well. Got a couple of boxes of those. So let's see what I got. Let's have a look inside.
What do you mean coming on the battlefield with your buttons not done up? Hey!
Okay, so I've got a couple of ideas at the moment about what I could do. I haven't really thought any further about how to structure the army or anything, but I really like making dioramas and little scenes and having a go at those kind of things, and that's where I get my inspiration from, like watching TV series and things like that. And I'm thinking, oh, that would be pretty cool, having a go at building the terrain for that and putting it together. And these guys popped out straight away in my mind when I was looking for the website. Just the British light infantry, and they're in skirmish. And just my initial reaction, you open the box and you get 6 individual sculpts, all different characters, all different expressions, body positions, and just looking really dynamic. Right, let's take a little bit closer look. So first two, shooting position. Hopefully you can see the details. He's using his ramrod whilst moving. See the sideburns. All right, third one. There we go. That's probably my favourite character. So he's reaching for his ammo pouch, looking for a cartridge. Kneeling shooter position. Still need to, I've trimmed a bit of the flashing off. Still need to do a bit of filing. Try to get it a bit smoother on edges. Making ready, cocking. I think that's the expression. He's doing something. He's definitely doing something. Oh, he's cool. Look at that, biting the cartridge. Open pan on his musket. Right, let's have a look at the next box. Okay, box 2. Bit grim, this one. It's my British casualty box. 6, possibly 7 miniatures, I suppose you would count it as. It's 2 together. Okay, the first one. We've got 4 guys injured, suffering on the floor. He's got a wound to the chest. Number 2. This guy's prone flat on his face. That is Shako. Still got the facial details, even though he'll be based face down. Pretty cool. No cutting corners on that one. Ah, Scotsman. Wounded, hit, dropped his musket. He's got his kilt. Oh, I'm not ready for painting kilts. Let's see what that's like. 4th guy. Really interesting. It's a bit better. There you go. Put the hand behind it. Pretty cool. It's like a freeze frame from a movie. For a snapshot from real life. And the last 2 combined. It looks like a soldier trying to save his officer who's been wounded on the floor, get him out of danger possibly. Alright, side view. Okay, so for the third box, just for my ideas I've got for these diorama that I'll be putting together soon. It needs some baddies in it, and the baddies in this case are definitely the French. And here's some light infantry Frenchmen skirmishing as well in retaliation against the British. Definitely outnumbered at the moment, but for now, this is my first box of French. Let's have a look at these. Again, same style and character. My third box of Perry miniatures ever, and I'm sold. And I'm really not bothered that they're metal. I think the quality you can get from these sculpts is just incredible. Look at that. This one, moving, advancing, everything cover. Standing firing pose. Next one. Fill in the pan again. Love the texture in there. The bags. Bit fast. All right. Just to make it fair, as I've got British casualties, I'm going to have some French casualties as well. And my gosh, look at these ones. I thought, how many different ideas can you get in a sculpt? But whoa, these Perry brothers, obviously, I don't know them well enough at the moment, do I? They're class, pure class when it comes to what they're making. And I think when you start looking at minis closer, I don't know about you lot, but you make your little baskets online, or you keep checking them out, you keep getting more and more excited. Yeah, my shopping list is getting longer and longer at the moment. We'll see what comes out. All right, let's take a closer look. I've got 3 guys laying, wounded, injured or dying. I find these ones a bit harder to show you guys. Again, next one, flat on the face. Still get the sculpt in the face. Wounded belly. Such detail. Struggling, maybe a leg injury. There's another fucking awesome dynamic sculpt. Look at that. My gosh. The officer. Definitely had the wind taken out of him, hasn't he? Look at that. Alright, thank you for watching. This is my next little painting project I'm going to have to get going on. Brought in some French, got my first red coats. Let's see what happens with this one. I'm excited about this one. And hopefully I can show you soon. Alright, look after yourselves. Take care.